Alright, just want to do a quick update, and this is Tiger, also known as Tigre. Got him back in May 15th, the day after my birthday. He's 7 months old-ish, almost, but as far as YouTube automation goes, I did get a new script writer. I'm waiting on the script. I'm waiting on a new script right now to see how everything's going, but as far as my current script writer, the one that I was, kind of complaining about a little about improvements, improvements have been made. I addressed the concerns, and she's definitely been doing a lot better job, and I definitely think it has to do with Grammarly. Now the only thing that's slightly lacking now is just word count is slowly going down, but I also did address that, and now we're back up to more words. So yeah, that's on a positive note. Now as far as videos go, they're fine so far, but what I'm seeing in the analytics is some of them are kind of tanking. My click-through rate have gone way down. I remember before I was saying like most of them were between the 5 to 12% range, and now the most recent one was like 1.92%. Not just that one, but the few recent ones. So that has to be addressed as well too and changed. And yeah, so the next thing I plan to do is actually take a deep dive at my analytics, like a lot more than just checking it, here and there, but like actually pay more attention to it. Like before, what I was doing is after every video, I was on a spreadsheet, I was going ahead and putting what the video number, who made the video, how many days it's been since the video was published, and then putting the click-through rate, the average view retention, the views. And I stopped doing that since, just because honestly I got lazy, but that's definitely something I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm probably going to make a video on that too, just if anybody's interested in actually seeing analytics of all the videos. I have 74 up by now. I just posted the 70. Yeah, I should have. I have around 74 or 75 videos up. I just posted one today, so it goes out at 10 a.m. Thankfully, it was clutch. My video editor was able to do it because he said he had like a bit of delays because he had a midterm coming up for his college. So it is what it is, but that's what's been going on so far. And yeah, anyway, hopefully you like Tiger. Wait, yeah, right there. I think he's hungry. He's got to eat breakfast, but I got to eat breakfast too, so I'll feed him soon. Bye.